Week 3, we in here.
Are you a coach or a parent? You a parent. What are you doing in the bench? I'm way over here, where you should be at. We got a parent all the way over there in the players' bench. I mean, literally in the players' bench.
Yeah, we naughty by nation!
Stolen by West Orange, basket up, and it's good. Have a strong shot block.
So far, West Orange is out here playing Team Sharp. They have a little bit of height on us, a lot of height actually. We're up 5-3. We're doing a great job boxing out, trapping, providing some pressure. We're out here. We're ready to get the game going.
My turtle by my lonely. Find the phony. Pass the mask, one deep, yeah, the only. Do or die. With slug for the Ruger. Rolling, patrolling in the stolen black cougar. Do my turtle by my lonely.
Thought this would be a lot tighter than what it is right now. OTV ain't come to play today, boy. Ooh, they serious today.
All due for the community. So my name is Councilman Kasim Gomez, and I want to talk about KG, I want to talk about Benny, I want to talk about people who are in the community, not giving back to the community, never left the community, are in the community. And that is inspiring to me as a public servant, not an elected official, not a public official, as a public servant. And when we have these times of polarization and people separating, we have people who are inspiring people to be together. And to me, that is something that is heartwarming, that is something that is really bringing communities together, and that is something that should go across the whole country. So yes, this is important. It's not just about throwing a ball in a basket, it's about bringing people together and building stronger families, communities, neighborhoods, countries. Thank you for everything you do, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time.
Give me that. Mr. I do it all. He do that like the No. Good pass. Good game.
And I play the game. We had a great day out.
Rap.
A great day out.
Great day of game. Great day of game. Great day.
We started it off with 2 games going on at the same time, and then we featured 2 games on this court today. So it's a wrap, fellas. And now we're gonna turn it over to the City of These Stars. They showing a movie tonight. They showing Michael Jackson movie tonight. This is a grown man. You the play the game?
Nah.
I'm coming in. But you a grown. You not telling me. You just tell me get in the gym, right?
Yeah.
You tell me get in the gym, right?
Get in the gym, that's it.
That's it. You in the gym. Don't be fooling me out there. Oh, that's Lil Pee Wee.
Yeah.
This Lil Pee Wee.
Lil P.
All right.
Take the picture. Take the
Lil Pee Wee.
Do or die. With slug for the